COP meetings will be watched very closely this year by the technology industry, the providers of artificial intelligence platforms, the users of AI. It will be very important to see how the digital industry is addressed in these COP meetings and climate action. Over the last 2 years with the Gen AI revolution, one other story has been the proliferation of data centers, which are necessary for the growth of use of AI. For data centers to flourish, of course, there needs to be a lot of energy. And so the rationalization of energy use around data centers is very important and one of the main reasons that COP will be very important. But it's not all about the challenge, it's also about the opportunity. AI can play a pivotal role in green energy. The UN climate chief recently spoke about the transformative potential of AI in advancing our collective climate goals. By harnessing AI to enhance planning, energy management, and climate risk management, he said, we can pave the way for a greener, more sustainable future. So there is really a great opportunity for AI to help in the green energy revolution. COP has been tackling AI and tech issues already. If we look at COP29 had the first ever digitalization day focused on AI's role in climate modeling, optimizing renewable energy systems, and the like. In COP29, there were over 1,000 endorsements from governments, companies, and civil society for the Declaration on Green Digital Action, recognizing that digital technologies are essential, again, for climate monitoring and early warning systems, energy efficiency and emissions reduction, and climate adaptation and resilience. So the COP meetings have already started looking at these issues in earnest. This year at COP30, technology and AI will again be at the forefront of climate action. There's going to be a strong emphasis on digital innovation, ethical deployment, and inclusive participation. As I understand, on the 20th of November, there's going to be a science, technology, and AI thematic day with a flagship event focused on turning digital transformation into climate solutions. There's also going to be a green digital action track, including AI and big data for a just energy transition, digital pathways to a greener future, and net zero ICT sector initiatives. We can definitely expect a push for net zero targets across digital infrastructure, including data centers that power AI systems. So looking at the opportunities of AI in terms of climate action and making a significant contribution to that, but also the challenges around climate and green energy with the proliferation of data centers, it's fair to say COP30 comes at a pivotal time and will be watched by everybody in the industry.